Hello guys, and welcome to my 21st video tutorial on PHP. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create a CRUD system, okay, and how the CRUD works. Okay, to create a CRUD system we have to build a basic website, okay, and I'm going to show you how to do all that from scratch. And but first I want to talk about this CRUD, this word. Probably some of you guys already saw this in the web or heard about it. So CRUD means create, read, update, and delete. Okay, and this basically in PHP means that we will create, okay, data and insert data into the database. Read, we will request data from database and output that data to our web page. Update, we will change data in the database, okay, and delete obviously means we will delete any data from the database, okay. So this is a basic, we can say a basic system, okay, to change whatever we want to change in the database, okay, and we will have obviously to write some code, PHP code, to use this. Okay, so before we start doing some PHP code, I want you guys to go to your directory, XAMPP directory here, and to your htdocs. Okay, and in here I want you guys to create a new directory and call it test site. Okay, so this is where we will put all our files from the test site there that we are going to create. Okay, if you remember, we've built in the last video a database, MySQL database, with this same name, test site, okay, and we will use that database with our new website here. So to build a new website we need some files here, PHP files, and to build those PHP files, first let's get rid of this, save, and let's create a new PHP file in test site here. Let's call this form.php. okay, so this file will hold, or will have the form. Okay, we're gonna write the form in it, so save this. Okay, so now let's create a form, a simple form. First of all, we have to type the HTML text. Here, let's create the head, of course, and the body. Okay, so now let's create a form, and with a name, or I hope you guys have from the last video the MySQL database test site, and so we will use that. So let's open the XAMPP control panel. Let's start Apache and MySQL, and now I want to go to see my database. And to see my database, let's open the browser and type here localhost, and here you have to type XAMPP. Enter. Okay, it's not XAMPP, it's PHP my admin. That's it. Click enter, and here it is, my database. Okay, where is it? Test site. You should have something like this, test site, and this is the database that I told you we built from the last video, right? We have users here, and click users. And what I wanted to check is the fields that we have. Okay, so these are the fields that we have to build in our form. Okay, name, email, password, and address. So let's go to name, email, password, and let's delete the address because I don't need that. I don't need address there. Let's click here, drop, and yes, that's it. Okay, name, email, and password. Perfect. So name, email, and password. And now let's type input type equals input type text, name equals name, and that's it. Now input type equals text, name name equals email, and for last password, and name equals password. Okay, so now we have to type the input type equals submit, and the name equals, or the value, sorry, value equals submit, or instead of submit, let's type register. Okay, that's it. Let's type here a paragraph, here a line break, here a line break as well, and here a line break as well. And that's it. We can also build, I'm going to show you how to build a reset button. So reset button is reset, and value equals reset. Reset. Okay. And here we can type line break. So let's save this and let's see this in the browser. Okay, so let's open another window. And I want to open that localhost. It's not form, it's form.php, but we are inside the directory test site, right? Enter. And here it is. Okay. The reset button doesn't work. Okay, this doesn't work. Let's take this out. Let's delete this. Okay. Save that. refresh. Okay, so now we have our form here with the name, email, and password. Now I'm going to show you how you can send those values and store those values into our database test site. Okay, so let's type here. Before we type anything, forgot, we have to build our PHP script. Okay, and also I forgot, we have to build here the form tag, right? So form, and close the form here as well. And form, we have to type for method is post, and action is the file where we want the script to be. Okay, the script that will handle the transmission and store this data into our database. So action, the file is going to be, I don't have the file yet, I didn't create the file, but I'm going to name it action. The file is going to be script, or let's say insert. Okay, .php. Insert.php. Okay, let's save this. Now we have to create a new file. PHP. Okay, and this file is going to be saved with the name insert.php. Save as inside our test site. So insert.php. Save that, and we have our file ready. Okay, so this is where we're going to type the script that you'll need, okay, to send the data to the database. Okay, save that, and for method post insert. Okay guys, I'm seeing here that I'm running out of time in the video, so I'm gonna leave the script to the next video. Okay, I'm gonna create the script in the next video. So this is all for now. Okay, and see you guys in the next video. And if you have any questions at all, just send me a message. Okay, see ya.